Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you on the Dynasty, we happen to have one of our 7.3 liter Godzillas. This happens to be the 625 horsepower edition. This customer ordered it with the Holly intake and the Holly front runner kit on here. And he's also getting the beautiful Indy 7.3 liter Godzilla coil toppers when she comes off the dyno. This thing just ran absolutely fabulous. If you're interested in doing a Godzilla for your hot rod, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940.
Gorgeous motor. Love these Godzillas. Nice and smooth.